Today, I got a special package. Something for this room around here. We're gonna be decorating it, and I have an inside joke with one of my friends about cactus. So, I thought I'd get a cactus for my studio. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Usual bubble wrap. And would you look at that? Cactus. So, supposedly this has a remote and it's USB powered. Instructions, paperwork, base. Let's see here. I don't have batteries. So we're just gonna hook it up to an external power bank. So I don't know which side is what. It fights back. What am I doing wrong? Ah, it's pressure fitted. You just have to jam it in. Told you. Nice little remote. It's got a timer on it. That's it. What am I missing here? Ah! Forgot about the on and off switch on the bottom. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? You know what you need? You need to see this thing without the light. How cool is that? I love lights. As you can tell, I've got a little bulb here. It's a LED Edison bulb. Hook up to this little concrete base. Super cool. Then we add this guy to the family.
He's part of the family.
Welcome to the family. Well, let me get this over here. This is what I had before. It's gonna be pretty bright. Close your eyes. Anyway, this used to be it. This came from Mexico. I brought this back from Mexico from when I used to live there. Yeah, it's been in the family for a while. It used to be an old decoration, but now got one that glows. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace. What'd you think about that, babe?
It was great.
You liked it?
Yeah. I think it's pretty interesting how the neon cactus is the exact same shape as the stone cactus that you got. You weren't even going for that. Maybe that's just the traditional cactus shape. It's cool.
I do declare